Hey everybody, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I am at the Impressions Expo in Long Beach, California. It's a beautiful day, and it's a beautiful day to be here. There's so much to do, so much to see, and we're excited to take you guys through the entire show. We're gonna say hi to some old friends and meet some new ones. Let's go check it out. Okay, I just got a first-hand look at the brand new Epson DTF dedicated printer, G6070. You could print in rolls up to 36 inches wide. And not only that, it has a new ink system that you've never seen before in a DTF printer. It's using sealed ink packs. Now this is different than a traditional cartridge, it's different than a bottle. It comes pre-packaged, so loading and unloading is easy, it's mess-free, and they're huge. These are 1.6 liter packs. So you get to go longer in between ink refills, and there's literally zero mess. Not only that, it has cleaning fluid automatically built in, low maintenance. We're talking like once a week, maybe 5-10 minutes, once a week for the maintenance. This machine is coming in right under $14,000, which is absolutely incredible. I don't know how they're doing it, but we're all really excited that they did. So I just finished my tour of the DTF station booth here at Impressions Expo, and of course these guys always deliver. You know me, I'm a big fan of DTF station. I've been using the Prestige R2 for well over a year now, and it's been phenomenal. But it's not just the R2. There's so many other printers here, and if you're in the market for a DTF printer and you're not quite sure like which size is gonna work, you wanna see how big it is in person, you wanna talk to the technical support professionals on what's the setup involved, like how does everything work, come by to the booth. That's why the trade shows are so important, especially if you're thinking about starting a business. The pros here, you got my pals, you know Vince, you know Tony, everybody here at the DTF station booth, Mike, everybody's super helpful, and that's why we love partnering with brands like DTF Station at Heat Press Nation. So whatever you see here at the show, you could purchase it the same day at heatpressnation.com, and we'll get it shipped right to you as soon as possible. Dude, what is up, man?
Good to see you, man.
Your buddy spoiled the surprise. I was gonna like totally sneak. I was gonna pounce, bro.
What do I have going on in my booth today? Some amazing things. I have this beautiful Mamaki printer right here, printing off some amazing DTF glitter film. Guys, my DTF glitter film is a showstopper. It looks more than nice, Jared. I've heard a lot about clogged ink heads, clogged ink lines with glitter film. Don't worry about that with the Forever product. All of the glitter is actually inside of my film. It's not being added pre, it's not being added post. All you're doing is printing right onto that glitter and getting that beautiful glitter effect. Making these prints with this glitter film, guess who's not gonna go home with glitter on them? You, Jared, me, and we're not gonna get in trouble. We're gonna give it 3, 2, 1, and let's see how this beautiful thing looks. Amazing. Let's start with the film number 1. Super clean, all clean cut. You see every line is taken from that. It looks really good. Every place that there is ink, you will get a bit of glitter. Look at that dragon. I mean, that's my first time seeing this design even at my own booth, but it looks amazing. Combined with this one here as well, it will blow everything out of the water. Now, I didn't want to just leave you with DTF products, right? DTF works. It's an amazing product for everyone out there. But I want to talk about one that I know my good friends over at Heat Press Nation co-sign.
Yes.
Even heavier than my DTF one because it's the bread and butter. Right?
Hey, but we've been selling this product for years.
So we have our Forever Laser Dark already printed up. Now this one was printed with my Creo 8432. There are 2 great major brands out there, the Uninet iColor brand as well as the Creo 8432 brand. There are a few more, but I'm going to talk about the 2 that I have here at my booth for today at least. So we just put these 2 together and we're going to lay them down on the heat press and heat press them together for about 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. So we'll go ahead and close that off. Now, I know one big thing that people are gonna say is, Chris, what about weeding? What about the cutting out part? That's the blessing and the true nature of the B Paper Pro. The B Paper Pro, like I said, our adhesive sheet is what weeds your image for you. It's the adhesive that only sticks to where toner currently is. So if there is no toner on the empty space, you don't have to worry about having to weed that part out. I shout out Heat Press Nation. You guys know I recommend them all the time if I'm talking to you guys about anything because their tech support, people like Jared are really making that company run. So guys, we are just now hitting our 2-minute mark on this. We're gonna go ahead and open up this heat press. And now we just want to take off that parchment sheet and we are just going to peel these two apart low and slow. So starting at a corner, we just go directly over and we just start peeling those off. Not too fast, not too slow. We just want a smooth, fluid motion. I don't want to stop. I don't want to keep going faster. I'm not in a race. I just want to get this done the best way possible because guess what? If I speed up, I'm losing money every time I try to rush through something.
How are your fingertips not burning?
My fingertips aren't burning because I worked at a Shake Shack from 18 to 22 and I stuck my hands in fryer grease almost every single day to make that bread, okay? So now we have that beautiful image. We see it popping a bit more now, right? That's because that B Paper Pro laid down a bit of white on the back of that image to help it pop even more. We'll lay it there. Now you still can't really tell how that black is going to help. It's adding a little bit more depth, but wait until we actually peel it all the way off. Just want to go ahead and open that heat press and pull that bad boy out. My parchment slid from underneath there, but we just want to take this off and let it sit on the counter right here next to us. And we're gonna let that cool down just a little bit. Now remember I said I did not cut that bottom line. Jared is so hilarious. I just forgot to take off one piece. So we'll negate that, but everything else is looking amazing. So when we do peel these, we want to start at the corner and we just want to roll away. I don't want to tug any of that off. I just want to take my hand just like that and just simply roll. And we want to roll, roll, roll off, and wow. Now, this is where I really want you to see where that black is coming into play. Look at the depth. Man. Look at how everything is emphasized just because of that black shirt. Now,
that also makes it feel a little softer too, right?
Even softer, because we have these big blotches or spaces of white or black, we are not feeling anything but the actual garment. And I absolutely love that about white toner printing. And I want you to remember one thing, not two things, not three things. I'm not here to help you stay in the print industry for a day. I'm not here to help you stay in the print industry for a week. I'm here to help you stay in the print industry forever. And this is Chris Godfrey signing off from Chris Press Nations.
Featuring me a little bit.
Featuring Jared. Okay, I got to give it to Jared. Featuring a little bit of Jared over here on the Chris Press Nation edition of ISS Long Beach. I'll catch you guys soon and make sure to follow me on Instagram, Forever Transfers USA, baby. I'll see you guys.
See stuff like this and I want to make stuff for my son. So cute. Dude, I think it just kind of proves that Bella Canvas has stuff for everyone. And I know we talked about it on our podcast with them, but because everything's color matched, like if you're into like sets for the family, you know that this navy is going to be the same as the adult navy, same as the women's navy, same as youth navy, kids navy. So like it's really cool to be able to color match all that. You know, the cotton's going to be super soft, sustainably made, all that stuff. I am a big fan of Bella Canvas. My son's about to be a 4T hoodie. I just might take this home. Okay, so ever since Wes told me about the 3010, which is one of their newer shirts, I've been wanting to see it and feel it again. So this is like a 6-ounce heavyweight. Now, when you're looking for t-shirts, you'll hear things like 6 ounce. What's a 6-ounce shirt? This shirt weighs more than 6 ounces. It's just how we measure the weight of the fabric. And so a 6-ounce shirt, that's pretty thick for a t-shirt. Fleece, for example, like a hoodie might be somewhere like 8 to 12 ounces. A 6-ounce shirt's gonna be nice and heavy. And not only is it heavy and thick, it's soft, which is why I love this. If you're looking for something lightweight, you might be looking at like a 4.2 ounce. 5 ounce is considered a midweight. And so that's just something you wanna look for. We're here at the Bella Canvas booth with my pal Wes here. Now, last time you guys saw him off camera, he was telling me about the 3010, but you have an even newer t-shirt out.
We do, yeah.
Tell me about it.
You picked a good time to stop by the booth. It's our largest product launch in history for our company.
Yes.
So
okay,
yeah,
nice,
lots
nice.
of new stuff. The 3010, it's a 6-ounce heavyweight tee. and it did really well. So now we have that was a unisex. Now we have a women's and kids version as well.
Nice. Okay.
So you can outfit the whole family with that. And then we have a 7.5 ounce heavyweight.
I gotta feel that. Let's see.
It's like 10, 12 colors that we just released, and it's like 2 weeks ago we dropped it. So,
Dude.
yeah, really nice colors. You got that dry hand feel, but it still has that Bella canvas quality that you know about.
Okay, so this is gonna be kind of more like a classic cut. What would you call that? Like,
Yeah, it's just relaxed. Yeah, more relaxed. Still
That
has a
feels
side seam,
so
so it's gonna
good.
be cut, to fit your body perfectly. That's one I'm wearing right now, so you can see like you still look nice and sharp in it, and
see, that feels fantastic because I feel like a lot of the heavyweight feel almost not crusty, but they feel a little bit like a flour sack.
yeah,
A
it's
little
got
bit.
that scratchy quality to it. Yeah.
Yes.
So ours has a dry feel without having that scratchy feeling, so it's still really comfortable to wear, and it still feels like Bella canvas.
I'm gonna order a crate of these. That's amazing.
And then right here on this rack, this is our new 10 ounce heavyweight fleece. So this one's heavier. It still feels wonderful. Yeah, that's the new hoodie.
I want to live in this, dude.
Isn't that great?
Oh, and the inside. I wish you guys could reach into the camera and just feel how soft that is. My gosh.
So yeah, we have a crew neck version, the hoodie, and then a sweatpant to go with it. Yeah.
And of course, you have them all in the full set of colors, so people could do sweat sets.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, maybe.
Yeah, we always recommend you start with the bottoms first, and then you'll have a top to match. Nice scrunch pant, which is very in right now.
Yeah.
This detail work in the waistband's beautiful. But we have a new garment dye collection that's coming out this summer. So a beautiful range of colors. We only have like 17 or so here, but there'll be like 28 when we launch it.
Wow.
Yeah, everyone's really excited
Dude,
about it.
Again, you guys nail it. It's heavy, it's thick, and soft.
Yeah.
That's like the holy grail trifecta when you're looking for shirts, man. Ooh, is this a new tag for you guys?
Yeah, debut on a new tag too. So that will be, special to this line, the garment dye line.
That's how you guys know I'm a fan. Like, I knew they had a new tag. Like, that's how you know.
No matter what you're doing out there, let's say you're just independent at-home printer, going to your kid's school, trying to like get the gig of printing like that, whatever club, shirts. If you know like these products, you can totally knock out the competition, if you will, like in your town. Like, some people won't even know about this garment dye collection from us, and you show up at the local whatever saying, hey, I can get you these shirts. Like, that's gonna help you grow your business and your name. So
yeah, so many times, like, I don't do a ton of personal like side printing business.
Yeah.
But every time I do, every time it comes up, it's like, hey, can you get me this shirt?
Right.
And they'll send me a link to like a sample, and it's from like Supreme or something like that. And I'm like, I can get you a shirt just like that. Like, I can get you a shirt of that quality, of that cut.
Yeah.
Everybody's into the cut now. Before it was like, put this on a black t-shirt.
Yeah.
But now it's different. The game has changed. People know what they want, and you guys have it covered.
yeah, for sure, absolutely.
That's how you know Bella Canvas is an LA business. They have a DJ at their booth. Like, I feel like it's a very LA thing. Hey, pleasure, good to meet you. Dude, your vibes are immaculate. Yes, thank you. I'm on camera trying to look at shirts, and I'm just bobbing. Yeah, it's like bobbing my head. So that's been amazing. Wes, thank you so much for taking us around the booth. As always, super impressed by what you guys are doing at Bella Canvas.
thank you.
I might have to find an excuse to come by to the office, maybe pick up some samples. I don't know.
Absolutely.
We'll see.
Come on.
All right, thank you so much, man.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by. See ya.
Wow, it's been an incredible day here at Impressions Expo in Long Beach. I want to say a big thank you to all of our friends, all of our partners, and pretty much everybody who took time to stop and say hi to us. It's been a great time here. If you have an opportunity to go to any of the trade shows this year, I mean, they're literally all around the country. Do yourself a favor, go and stop by, check out the blanks, check out the different printers and all the machines, and then when you're all done, head on over to Heat Press Nation to purchase your equipment. That's gonna do it for us today. Thanks for watching, we'll see you around.